and welcome back to the channel. This is Susie, and I have another box. This is the August box of Your Creative Studio. Amanda was kind enough to send me another box, so we're going to open it up and see what's in there. And I will probably do a make, but it will probably be on my Why Not Wednesdays. Won't be this Wednesday coming up, but maybe the following Wednesday or the Wednesday after. I am going to have me a little journal made, and we will just start making in that journal. So let's see what we've got here. I think I might have already, yeah. I actually got this box a day or two ago, and so I did get it all undone so that we could peek in it. Now, I have not peeked in it, so I don't know what's in it. I just kind of opened it and got it ready for the unboxing. So let's get in here and see what's in here. So, of course, we have Amanda's card as always. When you purchase your Creative Studio box, you do get a thank you card. And that is always sweet. So let's see what we've got here. So this looks like just some strips. So let's see what we've got. Yes, just some paper strips. So, and there are really pretty ones in here. Once again, great for collaging. For sure. Just all different kinds. They're very pretty patterns. And quite a few. I don't know if you can see how thick that is. Quite a few. Alright. This looks just like some paper scraps here. So let's open it up and see what we've got. So just some different varied little paper scraps. Love the ones that look like the old patterns there. Really like those. So once again, good for collaging. I'm going to save the stamps here for a little bit. And let's see what we've got here. Looks like the pages that look like, these are always nice for collaging too. So these are the little like advertisements, I call them, or newspaper clippings. It looks like they're going to repeat. You get so many of one, and then it will repeat to another. So like a little ad. There's some there. And there. So there is that. That is the patterns. Love this little thing it comes in. This is really pretty the way they have this bound up. So there is that. Then we have some like little washi stickers here. There we go. It's a little stuck. Alright, and this doesn't have a, yeah, it does. Alright, just some little round. I'll pull them out. Just some really cute little round flower rings. Just different colors. There's quite a few of them in there as well. So there is that. These are always my favorite right here. These things like this. This is just super cute. So very, very cute there. There's 3 sheets of them. Oops. A little bit out of frame there. Very, very cute. Love the colors. Okay, so then there are some just black and white leaves, and those are cute. Just some little stick-ons there. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, this is some of the masking or washi tape. Oh, and this is just an orange, and this is the pattern. There's just a little bit of, looks like a texture on it. Very nice. Very pretty for fall. So there's that. And this is a cling stamp, and it looks like a wreath. That is really cute. That is super cute. So, and of course I will stamp these so that you can see them. Now there'll be a glare on there. I know there will be, but that is super cute. It's like it's got a little hanger here, and then the little floral on the side. So I will stamp those for you on the Wednesday. I will stamp them for you on our little Wednesday make. Here is another cling stamp. This looks like a pumpkin and a candle. Kind of side by side there, yeah. A pumpkin and a candle with a little runner, table runner. Okay, I'm going to try to keep the glare off. So we will get those stamped and looked at. Oh, here is the tissue paper, which is really cute. Super cute. And there's always, like I said, about 5 sheets is what there is. Super thin. So, but they're always so pretty. So there is that. Super cute. Alright, and then we have some faux stamps here. Oh, and you could even use that. Just a little postcard there. That's cute. Okay. Alright, just some all different varied kinds here. A little dandelion. I like that. I even like the color of those. And just all different. There's a pretty one right there. Purples. Just a wide variety. So, and there they are. Okay. And this is just a cute little postcard in itself. That is super darling. Alright, so this looks just like some paper here. This is a pretty packed box right here. Yeah, just some, oh, is this double-sided? No, it's not double-sided. So I'm sure it's going to repeat it. So, oh, there's a vellum. Very pretty for the fall. Very pretty. And you'll just have some vellum mixed in with some just regular paper. So, very pretty vellum. And there's a little bit of a textured paper. Yeah, these are textured here. Very nice. A little thicker and a little textured. So, yeah, very pretty. I like the textured ones. Alright. So for the little last thing here, I like that little tag. That's cute. Alright. Let us see what is in here. Mushroom Jungle. It's a lot in there. See if I can get it all out here. It just keeps a coming. I think there's another something. Okay, look, that is cool. They have just did these like they have already been distressed. Very nice. And then here are some you can just cut out. Mushrooms border. That's cute. Oh, I love this where it's already been distressed and tore. That is really cute. I like those too. Those are awesome. Okay, so you have those, but you have some regular ones as well. Yeah, just super fun those are. And then there's just some little, there's some floral. And these are not sticky here. Oh, those are pretty. Look at there. The mushrooms. And then some more tore ones. And then here are some here. Just some little mushrooms. Oh, these are kind of fun. Flower. It's got a little definition there. And another little. So very, very cute. Very cute. Oh, I like those. Just cut them out and use them as a tab. You'd have to add a little thickness to them, but you could use them as a tab. Here's another distressed. So the distressed ones are really fun. I think those are really fun. And then here's some like butterfly. So super fun box. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, I am working on a journal that I can start just, you know, doing a page or two in with some of the goodies for you on camera. And I will do that on a Why Not Wednesday make is what I will do. And anyway, have a great day everybody, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.